These key differences between RabbitMQ and Kafka will clear out all the confusion in the air. Number 1. Messaging model. RabbitMQ is traditional message broker, follows AMQP protocol suited for various messaging patterns, whereas Kafka is an event streaming platform designed for high throughput real-time data streams. Number 2. Use case. RabbitMQ best for load balancing, request response, and traditional messaging scenarios. Kafka is ideal for log-based data streaming, event sourcing, real-time analytics, and data pipelines. Number 3. Message retention. RabbitMQ keeps messages briefly for delivery. In contrast, Kafka retains messages for a configurable time, acting as a durable event log. Number 4. Consumer acknowledgement. RabbitMQ supports different acknowledgement modes in simple terms like smart broker, dumb consumer. But in Kafka, uses offset commits, crucial for message ordering and delivery semantics. In simple terms, dumb broker, smart consumer. Number 5. Operational complexity. RabbitMQ is simpler to set up and manage, while Kafka, due to its distributed nature, can be more complex, especially for large clusters. These differences highlight their distinct strengths and best fit use cases. Choose based on your specific requirements. And there you have it, the key differences between RabbitMQ and Kafka. Let me know your thoughts on this by dropping a comment down. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.